Mark Barnes's book Role Reversal is a nonfiction description of a results-only learning environment. Mark Barnes implemented this results-only learning environment, or role, after many years of teaching middle school language arts. In Mark's role classroom, he provides his students with 5 guidelines. Those guidelines are: there is no homework, there is no copying of anything from a textbook or whiteboard, there are no tests or quizzes, there are no classroom rules, and students choose much of what they learn and how they learn it. With these rules, Barnes highlights the need to intrinsically motivate students and to provide incredible amounts of feedback on student work. In the end, Mark's students only slightly outperformed non-role classrooms within his school on the yearly standardized tests, showing that, if nothing else, the role classroom is not detrimental to student grades, test scores, or much else. Even if you cannot fathom this working in your classroom, I urge you to consider adopting 3 key ideas that Barnes addresses. The first concept that I urge you to adopt is feedback. Even if your student has only one attempt at a quiz, exam, project, or paper, providing ample feedback for each student provides them with more than an arbitrary percentage. Giving students a percentage without feedback would only be telling them that they are wrong without telling them explicitly what they did wrong. The second major takeaway is student autonomy. There are ample ways for students to be autonomous within an average classroom setting without taking such extreme and daunting measures like the role classroom might seem. Students could be given choices as to what projects they construct or what topics they choose to do those projects on. Which leads me to my third and final big takeaway: intrinsic motivation. It is not easy, but if you can get students to be intrinsically motivated to learn, to participate, and to excel in your classroom, a lot of exceptional learning can and will take place. In conclusion, I urge you to read Mark Barnes's Role Reversal. Not only does it introduce a dramatically different way to conduct your classroom, but also within the book, key ideas are presented that can easily be obtained within your classroom to enhance student learning.